Hi, welcome to the Niche Man. We often get asked to make niches to suit solid brickwork, and what I've got here is a niche custom made to suit solid brickwork. So I just want to show you how the brickwork works in with the niche itself. As you can see here, the depth of the niche is 110 mil to suit brickwork, and the height of the niche is worked to brick courses. As you can see, there's one brick course there, another brick course here, and so on. So that works to brick courses like so, and then across the top of the niche there's a steel lintel that is fixed in to support that load of brickwork above the niche. We also put a slightly wider reveal on. As you can see, it's 40 mil wide by 10 mil thick. That's also required for render that is going to be rendered over that brickwork flush with the front of the niche. So then the waterproofing tape, when to be waterproofed and membraned, or the concrete render, will waterproof the niche in. And also this extra wide reveal helps for, I'm just going to remove the niche there, that has to have polyurethane adhesive put all the way around so it can be glued to the brickwork like so. For any further information regarding custom made niches for either to suit brickwork or timber frame, please don't hesitate. Go to the website or contact us, and we can show you exactly, explain to you also how we can make the niches suit your requirements. Thank you for watching the Niche Man.